guys, Triple C again. Got myself a... Hey, I was just about to talk about you. Anyway, that was somebody text messaging me. Okay, so I got myself a new cell phone. Check it out. This is a HTC Maple S520 cell phone. And they advertise it as HTC Snap and Mobilicity. It's a Toronto local cellular provider, which is the company that I went for. The deal was pretty good, $35 a month. Everything unlimited, data, unlimited talk, text, picture, the whole bit. Well, since I got a new phone, it's actually not so bad. I'm gonna talk about the function and the feature of the phone. But then before that, I got this hardcover that looks pretty nice on it. It's actually hard to find. I went to the local Chinese mall, Pacific Mall. Walked through 10 different cell phone stores in that place. I found one store that carries a cover for this phone. Apparently it's not that common. I mean, it's a HTC, come on. So anyway, the phone itself look a lot like one of them BlackBerry. Some will say it's a BlackBerry clone, but it uses Windows Mobile, so it's not exactly the same. Maybe the whole ball rolling thing is similar, but no, it's not the same thing. The keys are pretty nice. QWERT, you know, it's just like a PC keyboard, so it's really easy to type. Okay, I'm not gonna read that for a while. Yeah, and those function keys bring you right to the camera, email, etc. It's pretty decent design. Get to the point. Okay, anyway, so let's look at a few things that I do on this phone that amuses me. It's on the function that make things very convenient. Well, first of all, this Windows Live Messenger. This thing actually works pretty good. I used the Messenger on BlackBerry before, the BlackBerry Pearl that I had. It was not the same thing. Because from that one I had experience that message doesn't get sent, message doesn't get received. Some people that's online, I can't see them online, they're sitting offline. All kinds of trouble. But this one, it's same thing as the one on my computer. So that is very good. But again, it is Windows Mobile 6.5, so I guess they got the Windows Live thing done right. And the weather thing is very convenient. I can know the weather wherever I go. Just have to update it manually, which is not a big deal. My data plan is unlimited. Except to live in the basement and it's a smaller company, the reception is not so great, but still works. There's no problem. Guy updated the weather for me, so that's neat. And of course, Internet Explorer works alright. I think it works with Flash. I don't know 100%, but it works good. It's for the data plan. Stuff like that. You can zoom in. You can basically do most of the things you do on PC. Just like a real Internet Explorer. Of course, you can listen to music. Just like most phones today, you can listen to music. And it actually sounds good from this thing. It's pretty damn loud. Okay, that's enough of that. And that's to say settings, pretty convenient. Right at the desktop of the thing, so I can go through my settings right away. Profile to set like how you want your ring to, how you want your phone to ring, or to set up as a vibrate and other things. This is for if I want a Wi-Fi. Well, I don't turn this on anymore since I do have a limited thing, but it'd be faster if I had the Wi-Fi on. I just connect it to my wireless router. set ringtone, set background image, text manager, just like the Windows one, which is really good. You can turn out the programs you don't want to use, set battery, set memory, stuff like that. And this other thing, GPS. I got GPS to work, but I am indoor, so I can't really show you. I gotta go do that, and then I'll put that on this video. This Facebook function. Facebook on the mobile phone is never the same thing as desktop, but it's good enough. Give you all the information that you would on the Facebook website if you use a computer. What else I got? There's not much games. There's only 2 games, and they're not fun. Still looking into that, how to get games with this thing. There's YouTube. YouTube works good. It's got high qualities and everything. This phone is only 528 megahertz compared to the new phones. It's not much, but it's good enough. No video. What are you talking about? I guess I just pick random stuff. Yeah. Of course, you can search for videos.
I was asked to find a fun car for not much money, and I failed completely.
See, that's alright. That's not bad. It plays YouTube fine. But I don't use it. I don't see the point, really. It gives me headache if I go on the bus and watch videos all the time. It's got Windows Media Player for your videos. It supports a bunch of different formats, so that's pretty good. Common formats, like DIVX, the whole bit. Yeah, as I was saying, it's 528 megahertz processor. Got 192 megs of RAM. So it's decent enough to run Windows-like programs. Yeah. So I'm satisfied. I like this phone. It's not the best out there, but it gets the job done pretty good. And it looks real nice. And of course the Bluetooth. Yeah, I bought a cheap Bluetooth. It works good and all, but it doesn't really fit into my ear. But it's still cool, it works. So let's try that on now. Well, what you do on this phone, you press on add new device, and then you will search for it. And basically, just turn on your device and let it search for it. Oh, I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again. It's too late. Okay. Searching for Bluetooth. What I have is called Bluetooth N9. A Bluetooth headset. There you go. See, they found it. So it's pretty simple. Just add it up. Connect it with N9. That's it. My phone is on Bluetooth. You see a little headset logo on? Yeah, so it's neat. It's pretty convenient. The camera actually works really good too. I recorded something earlier. I showed you the quality and the video recording. I was surprised they actually have video recording on this thing. And of course you can take pictures of it. I show a picture too. I think I'll just take a picture on my computer. That's good enough. And I put that at the end of the video. Yeah, so HTC Maple. Pretty good phone. And it's pretty cheap too. I do have one complaint over this phone. It's this. The phone takes micro SD card. That's good. But as far as expansion goes, not so good. That's the only part. the phone have a non-standard USB port. And that USB port is for you to connect it to your computer, for you to charge the phone, as well as another device like adapter for wire headsets or earphones. That's not convenient. What if I broke my USB cord? I'm screwed. I have to somehow find one from HTC, and let's face it, you're not going to be able to find it from any store. You're going to somehow get it. So that's the only complaint I have with this phone. Otherwise, everything else I'm very satisfied with.